Hello future coders! Welcome back to another video from CodeRobo, where learning to code is fun. In this video we are going to complete our alphabet series of draw course. Our mission is to draw alphabet Z. So let's get started. We'll be using pen, place pen, then we will turn it left at 90 degrees, making it move forward somewhere around 8 steps, so that it can draw the base of a Z. Then turn it towards the right somewhere around 138 degrees, and then move forward somewhere around 10.8 steps. And then turn left by 140 degrees, and move forward by 8 steps ahead. Now let's click on green button. So Robo is moving forward by 8 steps, then turning right by 138 degrees. After that moving forward by 10.8 steps ahead, then turning left by 140 degrees. And the final step is to move forward 8 steps. And yes, we have successfully completed our last mission of Alphabet series. Like, share and subscribe to the CodeRobo for more coding and robotics videos.